Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the new release of Samsung One UI 6 Beta 3 for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it brings. Okay, so let's go ahead and swipe down. We'll go to settings and we'll scroll all the way down to software update, and we'll go to the last update. And the last update is One UI 6.0. It ends in ZWJ8. And it says that there are bug fixes, all kinds of bug fixes for the foldables. So we'll want to take a look at that. Scrolling down here, this does have the October 1st security patch. And this file is 771 megabytes. Okay, so first bug fix is for the fixed home screen operation error that sometimes occurs, background screen display error, icon display error, and taskbar display error. The next one is fix the issue that sometimes navigation bar gesture home key does not work. Then we have fix the issue that sometimes FC occurs during Smart Select Crop operation in landscape mode. Edge panel, fix the issue that sometimes empty screen is displayed when quick panel is called. And then improvement of overall software stability. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and test out some of the animations here. I like to do that. Okay, so the animations look a little slow to me. What do you think? Maybe it's just a preference. Everything seems pretty fluid though. I'm not having much lag here. Opening up. Let's just go ahead and open a new tab here in Google, and let's just take a look at article here. Scrolling seems to be good, no issues there, nice and fluid. Let's see, let's kind of go through the gallery. Now this seems to be good. Let's go ahead and jump into our Samsung apps here. So we'll go ahead and open up My Files, take a look in here. Seems pretty snappy in the My Files, no issues with that. Let's go ahead. Let's look at the let's go ahead and go into the Galaxy Store. Looks like we've got an update in here. There was an update, a couple of updates earlier that I did off camera. So there are some new updates in the Galaxy Store. You always want to make sure you go in the Galaxy Store and do an update after any beta software has been downloaded. Let's jump into our camera. Camera looks good, no issues. And we'll go ahead and jump into some social media apps. Let's open up X. Seems to be scrolling just fine. No lag whatsoever. Let's go ahead and close that. We'll go ahead and jump into Threads. As soon as that loads up, take a look in here. Everything seems to be working pretty well. Let's go ahead and jump into Reddit. Take a look here. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm not seeing too much any issues here. Everything seems to be nice and fluid. I did think the animations were a little slow, but let me know what you think in the comments below if you're using the latest beta on your Z Fold 5. And we'll just jump into the cover screen, make sure everything's nice and fluid there. Everything seems to be working well. And we've got our One UI quick panel. Seems to be fine there. Let's see if there was any change to the music player. So let's go ahead and open up some Spotify here. Oops. And we swipe down, music player looks to be the same. Got that nice waveform playing across there. Let's just skip over to another song here. And looks like our notifications, nothing's changed there. Still separated with the icons. Yeah, overall the One UI Beta 3 for your Z Fold 5 seems to be looking pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and we're going to jump into GoodLock. There was a couple updates for GoodLock, so let's jump in and take a look. I believe Theme Park was one of the updates, so Theme Park should be working in 6.0 in the beta, and it looks like it is. So we can jump in there, and we could go ahead and create a new wallpaper if we want to. So these are some different changes here. Jump around in here. And looks good. So that is working. Let's go ahead and back here. Let's see. I believe another one was under the knife up, which is the Notice Star. So let's see if that one is working. Yes, so Notice Star is now working. And let's go ahead and turn that on. And so now we have all the available toggles here within Notice Star. So that's great to see that that is working. We'll go ahead and go back. Let's see, Registar, I believe, is already working. Let that load up. And yes, it looks like Registar is working, so we could go in here and customize our back tap option if we want. Turn that on. And give it a double tap. And we've got all these different options here. Go ahead and turn that off. And I think that was it for GoodLock at this point. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so you're alerted when new videos are uploaded. Thanks again for watching.